In this video, we listed the 5 best 3D printer for miniatures that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Number 1. ELEGOO Saturn 3 MSLA Printer. The ELEGOO Saturn 3 is a high-performance resin 3D printer featuring a 10-inch 12K mono LCD with a resolution of 11520x5120 and XY resolution of 19 by 24 micrometers. Designed for precision, it boasts a printing speed of up to 70 mm per hour and includes a 9H hardness tempered glass to protect the LCD from damage. With a build volume of 218.88 by 122.88 by 250 mm cubed, it accommodates larger models and ambitious projects. The printer utilizes a COB light source and Fresnel collimating lens for uniform 405 nm wavelength light, ensuring accuracy and clarity. A laser-carved build plate enhances print adhesion, while the Voxeldance Tango software offers multiple printing modes for improved efficiency and compatibility with third-party slice software. Number 2. ELEGOO MAS for Ultra Printer. The ELEGOO MAS for Ultra 9K 3D printer features a robust aluminum build in the MAS for Ultra color variant. It boasts dimensions of 24.02 inches in depth, 11.81 inches in width, and stands 11.02 inches tall, with a weight of 8.6 kilograms. Key highlights include a 7-inch 9K LCD screen with a resolution of 8520 by 4320, capable of achieving printing speeds up to 150 mm per hour when used with ACF release film and ELEGOO Rapid Standard resin. The printer incorporates a COB plus Fresnel collimating light source for realistic model details and efficient heat dissipation. It includes a laser-carved platform and Z-axis linear guide rail for stable operation and improved model adhesion. User-friendly features include a Linux operating system, a 4-inch IPS touch screen with a new UI design, and compatibility with various slicing software through an open-source GOO format. Key printing tips focus on parameter adjustment, model support placement, and timely maintenance of the resin tank to ensure optimal performance and longevity of the LCD screen and release film. Number 3. ANYCUBIC Photon M3 3D Printer. The ANYCUBIC Photon M3 resin printer is designed for high-performance 3D printing, featuring a 7.6-inch screen and a generous print volume of up to 7.08 inches by 6.45 inches by 4.03 inches. It boasts 4K plus resolution for clear, finely detailed prints, with a fast printing speed of up to 50 mm per hour and a rapid curing time of just 1.5 seconds per layer. The printer utilizes a powerful UV light source system for efficient curing and includes adjustable UV power settings from 30% to 100%, accommodating various types of resin. With enhancements like an anti-scratch film and a textured build plate, the Photon M3 ensures reliable performance and versatility for creating intricate 3D models. Number 4. FLASHFORGE 3D Printer. The FLASHFORGE Adventura 5M is a versatile 3D printer designed for efficiency and precision. Supporting a range of materials including PLA, ABS, PETG, TPU, PLACF, and PETGCF, with an enclosed enclosure needed for PC, ASA, it boasts dimensions of 15.83 inches in depth, 14.29 inches in width, and 17.64 inches in height, weighing 23.8 pounds. This printer excels with one-click automatic printing, ensuring perfect bed leveling without manual adjustments and consistent adhesion for flawless initial layers. It features a Core XY structure for ultra-fast printing at 600 mm per second travel speed and 20,000 mm s² acceleration, enhancing efficiency and precision, making it ideal for rapid prototyping and mass production. Other highlights include rapid nozzle changes, a high-flow nozzle for stable high-speed printing, quick warm-up to 200 degrees Celsius, and a dual-sided PEI platform for easy print removal. With dual-fan nozzles, vibration compensation, and support for various nozzle sizes and temperatures up to 280 degrees Celsius, the Adventurer 5M guarantees superior print quality and adaptability. It also offers real-time monitoring via the FlashMaker mobile app, allowing remote control of printing progress, parameter adjustments, and receiving alerts, ensuring intelligent and uninterrupted operation. Number 5. Phrozen Sonic 3D Printer. The Phrozen Sonic Mini 8K is a cutting-edge resin 3D printer designed for high precision and detailed prints. Made from a combination of metal and acrylic, it comes in a sleek black and orange color scheme, with dimensions of 11.4 inches in diameter, 11.4 inches in width, and 16.9 inches in height. This printer boasts the highest resolution currently available on the market at 22 1152 ppi, making it ideal for crafting intricate miniatures and detailed bust sculpts. It features a linear projection LED module for enhanced light uniformity, ensuring sharp and superbly detailed models. The ultra-stable dual linear rails minimize Z-axis movement during printing, ensuring stability for high-quality outputs. A frosted laser-cut building plate facilitates secure model attachment and delivers detailed prints straight out of the box. With a spacious 7.1-inch mono LCD screen and an 18cm Z-axis, the Sonic Mini 8K offers ample printing space for larger projects or multiple miniatures simultaneously.